Want to score 180 plus in a hearing test? Easy. Sit straight. Concentrate harder. Guess confidently. Press the button even if you're not sure. Congratulations, you just cheated yourself. Because hearing tests are not exams and they are definitely not about scoring well. Here's what most people don't know: a hearing test doesn't measure intelligence, focus, or effort. It measures the softest sounds your ear can actually detect. Those sounds travel through tiny hair cells inside your ear. When some of those cells weaken, clarity drops. No amount of guessing can fix that. So when people try to perform well, they guess words. They respond late. They give incorrect results and walk out thinking everything's fine. There is no 180. There is no pass or fail. A hearing test is a map, not a report card. It shows where clarity drops. So the right solution can be chosen early, not late. That's why at Hearzap, hearing tests are designed to be easy and convenient. The audiologists are supportive in understanding your concerns. So you get clarity, not confusion. Don't aim to score high, aim to hear better with Hearzap.